Marlon Dawis and Barangay Captain Carlo Francisco, and our friends from the Department of Education and Commission on Higher Education. I'd also like to welcome the President and CEO of National University, Mr. Renato C. Ariola, and our esteemed guests from NU, and of course, our very own Executive Vice President for Marketing of SM Supermalls, Mr. John Jackson Agustin. Thank you for gracing us with your presence and for celebrating this meaningful occasion with us. It is with great pride and excitement that we officially welcome National University Las Piñas to SM Supermall. This partnership is not only a proud addition to our community, it also opens doors for growth, learning, and collaboration with the Las Piñas and the entire South Mall and South Tower family. National University's arrival marks a new chapter of our shared goal of making quality education more accessible to the South. With NU's strong academic legacy and commitment to innovation, we are confident that its presence here will not only shape the minds of our future leaders, but also create new opportunities for growth, development, and collaboration within the city. We look forward to the positive impact NU will bring, not just to the mall, but throughout the greater Las Piñas community. Together, let us create spaces that inspire learning, support local development, and empower the next generation. Welcome to South Mall National University Las Piñas. Let this be the start of something truly meaningful for our students, for our Las Piñas city, and for the future we are building together. Thank you, and please enjoy the rest of the program.
Allow me to start by thanking Congressman Mark Santos for his message, officially welcoming National University to the city of Las Piñas. Pagkapan po natin siya. Likewise, I'd like to thank Stephanie Ko for the warm welcome. National University can only exist together with our brothers and sisters from the SM group, especially SM Supermalls. And with us also is the EVP of SM Supermalls, in charge of all the marketing efforts of the malls and of NU. And I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. John Jackson Agustin. Thank you. As mentioned earlier, we have not only our brothers and sisters from SM, but we also have with us officials from National University and of course the local government, and specifically in the barangay where we belong, with our barangay captain, barangay chairman, Mr. Carlo Francisco, sir, and his council. Today we proudly launch National University's 14th campus in the forming the 6th campus in the National Capital Region. We just recently launched last week our campus in Cebu, which is opening the same year as National University Las Piñas. So why did we decide to bring NU's brand of education to Las Piñas? I am witness to this 17 years ago when National University was acquired by the SM family, by the C family. One of the first malls we went to was here in South Mall. In the year 2008, we would market to students to attract Las Piñas students to our campus in Manila. But at that time, we did think of it as a possibility that sabi namin, ang sarap naman magkaroon ng campus dito, parang Las Piñas is a good place to have NU. And finally, after 17 years, we are here and we're about to launch our school. Las Piñas is a thriving center with expanding industries and infrastructures, and it's a very strong growth area, not just in population, but a contributor to our economy. It is strategically located to the southern corridor of Metro Manila. Some say it's the gateway to Manila, but likewise it's also the gateway to the south. We have the nearby cities and municipalities, as well as next is the Calabarzon region. But perhaps the most important reason is that it has a strong young population, young minds who will drive not only Las Piñas but the country in the coming growth, the foreseen growth of the Philippine economy. We are bringing in the families of Las Piñas opportunities they deserve by putting up a campus with the aim of bringing our brand of education, which we fondly call education that works. Because it is designed not only for the benefit of our students, but of the whole community, including faculty members, families, and partner industries. We want to empower local students with globally competitive education without having to leave their own community. We want to build partnerships with local industries and stakeholders to align our programs with real economic need. And most of all, we want to be part of the city's continuous rise by investing in one thing that drives sustainable progress, which is education. Building a campus here is a reaffirmation of our pledge to make affordable, accessible, and quality and future-ready education within reach of every Filipino family. And finally, I'd like to send my gratitude to everyone who have contributed at this stage in making NU Las Piñas possible, starting from the local government unit, especially, and we're expecting to come today, the Mayor-elect, April Aguilar, our Congressman with us today, Mark Santos, the officials of the Las Piñas City local government, and of course, the barangay where we belong, led by Barangay Captain Carlo Francisco. It was also only made possible with the help and support of SMEDD, SM Supermalls, as well as directly in this mall, the SM Las Piñas counterparts, led by, of course, Stephanie Poe. As an institution, we are thankful for the early approval given to us by the Department of Education and of the Commission on Higher Education, who believe that National University should truly serve the community of Las Piñas. To the starting team, or the pioneering team of NU Las Piñas, I'd like to acknowledge and congratulate the Executive Director of NU Las Piñas, Mr. Ricardo Richie Ocampo. Please stand to be recognized. As well as the Academic Director of NU Las Piñas, Mr. Marlon Diloy. Please stand to be recognized. You, together with the starting team of NU Las Piñas, from the initial group of faculty members and support staff, we know that we will make our positive mark to the community of Las Piñas. Likewise, and very important to us, is the long tradition of National University. We are celebrating our 125th year. And the backbone of our 125th year celebration is our alumni. And I'd like to acknowledge one of our biggest contributors to NU's popularity in sports. I'd like to acknowledge our point guard in our winning National University 2014 Basketball Championship in the UAAP, Mr. Jeno Alonino. Wala po akong kinalaman sa his strength and skill as an athlete is his own and his coaches. Kami po supporter na. Okay. Today, the rest of the program, you will be seeing the performances of the other winning team, just like earlier you saw the street dance champions of the UAAP. And later on, you'll be seeing a performance of our pep squad. Okay. And we hope that all of this will add to the excitement of the launch of and Las Piñas, especially now on the 125th year of National University. With that, we look forward to seeing all of you visiting the campus, seeing our education and administrative leaders, and of course appreciating the performance of our athletes this afternoon. Thank you very much, and go Bulldogs!
Experience education at Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat, and welcome sa ating closing ng program. More than anything, I think you've heard everything that you needed to hear this afternoon from all key angles. From our main man, visionary and overseer of National University, from our chosen, elected servant leaders of Las Piñas, from the perspective of where NU is located, the AVP of Mall Operations, from our key person inside NU Las Piñas, our Director for Academics, and performances from our students. To all those behind the scene who helped make this launch possible, sobrang thank you sa inyong lahat. To the city of Las Piñas, we just want to say sorry. Sorry at ngayon lang kami dumating ng Las Piñas. But, timing is everything. NU is here now, and we are here to stay. So to know more about NULP, visit us. We have a booth near the Gate 5 entrance and at the lobby of our campus located in South Tower 2. It's beside Alpha Mart. So with that, thank you President RJ for your leadership in NU. Thank you SM South Mall for the perfect location, namely to EVP Supermalls John San Agustin, and our AVP Mall Operations, Stephanie Ko. And thank you, Las Piñas, led by our servant leaders, Mayor-elect Ma'am April Aguilar, Congressman-elect Mark Anthony Santos, to our Barangay Captain Carlos Francisco, and to all the other officials. Thank you for your support and warm welcome here in Las Piñas. Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.